You look peaceful on white sand, where wind warmed horns stone static, stalactite, with your fist raised to fight solar rays that poke form fae behind that dusk cloud, your knuckles pink as you pick for treasure, senses pricked by the shoreline. My Caledonian wane. But we dig through time to sand dunes, and the wind now whistles hunger tunes, and I see ruins on that horizon. 100 burned out hospitals where steamships once sailed out to sea, and now their bodies pile high in you and me, my boy. And as you scour for sea glass, I cannae help digging up bones in my mindscape.